Hi guys, I'm ready to go into International Premium's Disney Character Warehouse store and see what they have in this. So let's go. Back in the car again. International, very small store, very crowded people, very rude people. There was people there that had baskets just on the floor everywhere, and Donna almost tripped over. Well, she did trip. She caught herself though, and told the girl she needed to move those baskets. She totally ignored us, and nope. So I ended up having to go to management and said, that's right there's a fire hazard there. You know, somebody can get hurt. And good thing Donna had a brace on her ankle already. Good thing you already had a brace on there, you know? It saved your ankle. So I don't mind going to International. I just don't like filming in there because people are not nice to me. Well, not just to me, but to anybody. You know, they just... I have to remember it's a me world, right? I have a problem with that. I'm always too nice and apologetic for things I really shouldn't be apologetic for. So that's something you're going to see a little different in Yammi too. Hope so. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Now remember to make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you like my content and you want to see more. Hit that bell. give me a thumbs up. I like comments and all that good snazzy stuff. So make sure you helped out. Ooh. Donna's a little rough driving here.
I'm
Bang my
sorry.
head. I'm just kidding.
I think it's soft.
Yeah. So, as always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.